Let's talk about the most powerful yet completely invisible engine that runs our entire world. Nope, it's not in a factory, it's not under the hood of a car. It's kind of like the ghost in every single machine you own. We're talking about software.
It's a pretty cool riddle, right? Think about it. It's not the battery, it's not the screen, it's not any part you can actually hold in your hand. The answer, well, it's that silent, powerful force that gives life to the machine itself. And to really get it, we first need to meet its physical twin.
So, to truly understand what software is, we first have to talk about what it isn't. And the best way to do that is to look at its other half, the hardware. The easiest way to think about it is like the ultimate partnership. You've got the body, and you've got the mind.
Okay, so on one hand, you've got hardware. That's the body. It's all the physical stuff. The screen you're looking at right now, the keyboard, the chips buried deep inside your computer. You can touch it, you can hold it. But then on the other hand, you have software. That's the mind. It's just instructions. It's completely intangible. It's the intelligence that tells the body, the hardware, what to do. Seriously, without software, your phone is just a really sleek, expensive brick.
So what is it, really? At its heart, software is just a set of instructions. Think of it like a director on a movie set, telling all the physical parts of a computer exactly what their role is, what to do, and when to do it.
All right, so we've got the definition down. But where does this invisible engine actually show up? Well, the truth is, it's so fundamental to our lives that you're interacting with it constantly, every single day.
Just think about your daily routine. The second your phone boots up in the morning, that's an operating system. That's software. The web browser you're using? Software. From the app you use to text your friends, to that game you play to unwind at night, every single one is a unique set of instructions, a little mind designed for a very specific purpose. And it goes way, way beyond your personal devices. Software is running the massive servers that hold up the entire internet. It's orchestrating traffic lights in our cities, and yep, it even lives on that tiny computer on your wrist, tracking your steps. It really is the ghost in every machine.
So we've established that software is literally everywhere, acting as the brain for all our hardware. But this brings up a really important question. Why? Why do we even need it? Why can't we just, talk directly to our devices?
There's this great quote that just nails this challenge. The idea is that computers are super fast and accurate, but they're kind of dumb. And we humans, we're slow, we make mistakes, but we're brilliant. On their own, each is limited. But software is the magic that lets them work together.
See, here's the problem. The hardware, all those physical circuits inside your computer, it speaks a very, very basic language. It's called machine code, and it's basically just a long string of ones and zeros. It's totally alien to us. We can't just tell our laptop, hey, show me a CAD video, and expect it to get what we mean. And this is where software becomes the great translator. It all starts with a human who has a goal. A programmer writes instructions in a language we can understand. That's the software. Then, the software does the heavy lifting. It translates our complex request into those simple ones and zeros that the hardware needs. And finally, the hardware carries out those commands, and poof, our idea becomes reality. Software is that essential bridge that makes all modern technology possible.
Now, this role as a translator, it isn't just some techie detail. It's actually the key to understanding the bigger picture here. It shows how software has basically become the blueprint for our entire modern world. To put it simply, software is what breathes life into hardware. It's like modern-day alchemy. It transforms a lifeless hunk of silicon and plastic into an incredibly powerful tool, one that can connect us across oceans, help us create amazing art, or even help cure diseases.
When you really think about it, software is the architectural blueprint for our entire digital civilization. From the global financial system to the movies we stream at night, it's the invisible, complex design that makes everything in our modern lives just work. And here's the most incredible part of all of this. This invisible engine, this massive global blueprint, it isn't some mystical force. Every single app, every program, every digital system you've ever used started as a simple thought in a human mind. It all begins with that question, what if? So what's your what if? What idea are you going to bring to life?